Okay, oh, let me turn my ring light up. Cause bitch, what? All right, so I'm doing butterfly locks, as you can see, honey, and I got this last section to do. I'm looking over here because the mirror is over here, child. All right, y'all, so I'm using Marley hair that I ordered from Amazon. I forgot the name of the company, but I'm gonna put it on the screen because I gotta put y'all on. Okay, this is how the hair comes, like rolled up, and then you take the rubber band off. Oh shit, I'm gonna drop this. You take the rubber band off, and it comes in like a package like this, and it is 24 inches. So far, I've used 5 packs. I ordered 6 packs, so we're gonna see if I need to open that last pack. But y'all know the hair store, the Marley hair from the hair store be costing like $8 a pack, honey. No, this okay. I'm gonna just put it on the screen because I kind of forgot how much I paid, but I know it was cheap. So yeah. Boom, that's the hair I'm using. Please excuse my short ass hair. I just cut my hair again like yesterday because girl, them ends was dead, so I just was like, fuck it, let me just cut it. So I'm gonna take my ghetto comb and we're gonna start parting. I think this is gonna be 1, 2, 3 rows, so let me just start here. Boom. So this is how I think this is gonna be 3 rows. Is it? Yeah, I think it is. Oh, shit. Yeah, I think this is gonna be like, yeah, that's like 3 rows. Okay. And this is how I get neat parts every time. So I do like a rough draft part, and then I pull the hair out my way. Okay, so I'm gonna take my hair gel and run it like along the part. Well, that's a lot of hair gel. But yeah, and then I'm gonna repart my hair. And yeah, so I'm gonna repart it. Boom, boom, boom. And y'all see that part don't play, okay? Not me trying to detangle my hair with a broke ass comb. So I'm gonna take my comb and part off my first section. Boom. Y'all, I didn't realize how easy, when I first saw this hairstyle, I was like, this looks so fucking hard, but I'm gonna link the video that helped me. It's called, her name is The Chic Natural. I'm gonna link her video down below because, honey, when I say she came through. But I like to take the Blue Magic Grease and just put it on my ends to keep my hair moisturized while it's in this hairstyle. Because, girl, Marley hair probably will dry out your natural hair. But, okay, so I take the hair, right? I actually took 2 pieces. And then I'm gonna put them together, honey, okay? And I take the hair and I bend it so that it's like super uneven, right? So I made it super uneven. And I know this part probably looks short because it is, but it's gonna stretch, okay? And plus we're doing a short, we're doing a butterfly lock bob, okay? So when I take the hair, I'm gonna use this short piece to blend it in with my natural hair. So let me do it, okay? So I take the hair, right? And I braid it. Hold on, let me pull out my baby hair. Hold on, I forgot, my bad, y'all, hold on. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna take this short piece and braid it into my hair. I'm not gonna braid this long piece in. Y'all gonna see what I'm saying, okay. So I take the hair and I take my real hair and I split my hair into 3 parts like a regular braid. And then I leave out that long piece and I just braid in the short piece into my natural hair. Like so. And y'all gonna see why I left that piece out. And I like to braid it down a little bit, I don't know how far, just like that far, right? So now y'all see, oh, this hair is sticking to my lashes. Okay, so now y'all see that this hair is hanging out, right? It's hanging like outside. So now I'm just gonna take this long piece and just, wait, which way am I gonna wrap it? Yeah, so I'm gonna take this long piece and just wrap it around my natural hair. I don't know how many times, but make sure you kind of wrap it tight because you don't want the hair to slip down. You don't want your lock to like come undone. So now I'm just wrapping it down like a normal lock. And this is how you start doing the butterfly like effect. Well, this is how I do it. So I take the hair and I wrap it around my thumb. And then I move my thumb and just continue to wrap down. And y'all see how it's like making that butterfly lock. You know, I can't explain it, but y'all see like how it did that. I'm gonna do it again. I do it just like 2 times because the locks are short, so like I don't want too many of the you know, I don't want too many of them because I don't think it'll look right. But I'm gonna do it again right here, and I'm just wrapping it around my thumb, and then I just move my thumb and just continue wrapping. Just make sure you wrap tight after you move your thumb. Just make sure that you continue wrapping tight so that you can see like the difference in the lock or whatever. So let's see, how short I want this. Yeah, I'm gonna stop right here. So to end the lock, yeah, y'all, I'm doing them short. So to end the lock, I've just put my thumb here again, and then I wrap around my thumb, not around my thumb, but y'all see, right? Okay. I'm horrible at explaining, y'all. I'm so sorry, honey. But you see how like that locks in, and then I just take the rest and just wrap it back up the lock. And that is so simple, right? So freaking easy. Like, no, let me stop. But it's so easy, y'all. Like, for the longest time, I thought these locks were so hard to do, but they actually not. That is the lock, honey. And that's how I do them. So I'm gonna continue. Gonna move on to the next one. They are so simple, y'all. There are different, you know what, I'm gonna just make this one because I really don't want my hair to be too full. I feel like my hair is already getting super full, so I'm gonna just make this one lock. So now I'm taking my 2 pieces of Marley hair, and I'm gonna combine them, you know, put them together, and I'm going to make it uneven so that I have 1 short piece and 1 long piece, honey. And now I'm going to, oh, that's a lot of hair, girl, I don't care. I do not want too many of these locks in my head. I feel like I already did too many. All right, so now I'm going to split my hair into 3 and leave that out, and then just braid it in. You can also do the rubber band method if you want to. I just didn't because I don't like the tension, and then I didn't know how long I was going to have these in. So I didn't want, like, you know, rubber bands to be in my hair for a long time. That's how it's gonna look after you braid your hair in, right? And then you take the long piece and you just wrap it kind of tight around your roots. Not too tight. You don't want to give yourself a headache, but you also don't want your dread to slip, okay? So you just wrap it down like normal. I take my thumb, put it there, and just wrap loosely around my thumb, and then let it go, and then just continue to wrap. Y'all see, periods, honey. I'm gonna put my thumb here again, wrap loosely, and then pull your thumb out, and then just continue to wrap. That is how it's looking, honey. That's what you want to go for. So I'm gonna stop like right here, and I'm gonna take my thumb and wrap the hair back up, and then I can just move my thumb and just keep wrapping it up, and ooh, just keep wrapping it up, and your hair won't come undone, honey. All right, y'all, so this is how the lock looks. And if you get like a little frizzy, girl, it's okay. It's a lock, okay? It's supposed to look free and wild, okay? So I'm already moving on to my next section. Periods. Because shorty ready to be done, okay? Shorty ready to be done. All right, so I'm gonna split this section in half. Yeah, baby. So we're gonna put the gel over the parts. His friends in his dead. I broke his little heart and he'll cry, baby. Shit, my comb just dropped. I am healthy. I am wealthy. I am rich. I am that big. All right, y'all. So I have my first set. Actually, I should probably make that a little bigger. Hold on. All right, so 2 pieces of hair, boom. I feel like y'all got it by now. Yeah, but whatever. And I'm gonna make it super uneven. And we're gonna braid it in. So it should look like this when you braid the hair in to your natural hair. And then you got this piece. And like I told y'all, just wrap it around your hair. I am rich. I am that bitch. I am gonna get that bag and I am not gonna take your So we are gonna stop about here, I think. Let me see. Cause I'm really trying to make sure. Yeah, we're gonna stop here. So I'm just gonna take my thumb, put it there, and then wrap this. And then continue wrapping. Okay, so that one is done. Y'all see how they look all together, honey? Yes, honey. We serving looks. We serving looks, baby. I'm gonna split this one into 2. My parting got a little weird right here, but it's okay. Okay. Boom. Y'all already know. Make it uneven. Period. And then we're gonna braid it in. I'm gonna show you how to. And then we're gonna braid it in. And I know this probably looks complicated if you're not doing it, but like, you gotta do it with me. You gotta get you some hair and you gotta practice with me. I feel like I say that in every hair tutorial, but it's true. Like, you kind of have to be doing it to learn it easierly. That is not a word. Girl, I need to go to sleep. This hair is getting stuck all on my lip gloss. Like, what? Oh, and when I wrap it, I like to kind of palm roll it just to really seal it in place or whatever. But, yep, that's how this side. Girl, they sticking to my necklace. Oh, my gosh. Oh, no. I'm going ahead. I am about to go ahead and finish this last row. And then I'm going to come back and we're going to style them and get cute, period. So I'll be back, y'all. All right, y'all, so I'm done with my hair and I'm so in love with it. Like, y'all, do y'all see this? This is cute. I did not know. I mean, I didn't know it was gonna come out cute because hello, I did it. This little butterfly lock bob is so cute and different for me. Like, I love it and my husband loves it too. So like, what's up? I'm about to give y'all a full 360 because you know. Yes, see my parting. Okay, very cute. Should I put decorations on it or not? Because this hair came with decorations, but I don't think they really need them. Like, they just got their own little style and I love it. Like, I think it's so cute. Like, so cute. I will see y'all in my next video. Peace. I'm out. Let me stop. Bye, y'all.